In this video, I'm going to discuss how I got this prediction correct and my whole outlook on HLBZ for absolutely free. Let's get right into the video. So looking at HLBZ, we are around 5.34% down. We can see that overall the whole performance, looking at the bottom right corner, has actually been very poor. 95% down in the past year, just mental. 85 in the past 6 months. Yeah, crazy stuff. 3-month chart, we got that break right here. Okay, I'm not saying that we didn't. We got that, but basically means nothing, right? Basically means nothing. We have a demand area right here, still having bearish breaks as predicted in my previous video. So this prediction was made on 14th of February, Valentine's Day. You can go ahead, check it out on my channel. It's out there. But so the only time when I'm going to look for upside moves is a confirmation. This is going to be a break above here if I want to look for upside moves. But for right now, I'm generally just looking for bearish moves to continue and a little bit lower like this as such. So let me know your thoughts on it. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye, and like the video.